So here we go. So check this out. So this is so stinking cool. We use this all the time. So first of all, sharing the story of my favorite gift. Hey everyone, beyond excited. Picture this. It was Christmas morning and I jumped out of bed ready to tear through my presents. So you see how it wrote this fun little Christmas story here? Like how stinking cool is that, right? I carefully unwrap the box, blah, blah, blah. Like amazing. Now, if you're using this for yourself, I want you to go through and like read the different variations because this is a recording and I'm going through a workshop. I'm not going to be reading through all of them right now. My goal is simply to show you the tools on this workshop. But this is fun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on, I'll just click the last one just for the sake of the exercise. And I'm going to, we would read through this, right? And then we click continue. So I'm going to click on continue. So it's going to take us to the next page. So now it's saying, okay, where do you want to post it to? I'm going to say I want to post it to review my insurance agent. Now, so it's got the full thing. It kind of shows you a little preview here, right? That's fun. Now, here's something else. Check this out. So click on this little AI guy here. Okay. So now you can actually improve the writing. You can fix spelling. You can simplify it if you want to, make it longer or shorter. Isn't that cool? It's so fun. And then follow up comment. Yeah. You can on your Facebook pages, on your Instagram, on your LinkedIn, and on your Twitter, you can actually use Social Planner to automatically schedule the first comment on the post. So for those of you that are, creating engagement, maybe sharing a story, doing a poll, actually, I'm just going to show you what that looks like in just a second here, but you can add the follow-up comment. Now let's click on this little image guy here. You can upload from your media library, or you can create an image using AI. Now, if you've never done this before, I'm going to show this to you because this is so stinking fun. All right. So little boy with blonde hair, because I did have blonde hair when I was younger and had hair, opening a present to find a baseball card. Little boy is super excited. Little boy is wearing glasses because I've been wearing glasses for as long as I can remember. I want two different variations. Now, let's look at the different types of image styles that we can create. So let's do animated. It creates a fun little animation here. So let's generate these and let's see what it comes up with. The word prompt, because it takes whenever it violates responsible AI. That's weird. So let's say young boy. Young boy is excited. I don't know why the responsible AI thing got triggered there, but that's okay. Alrighty. Opening a present. Let's just say opening a present. That's super weird. That's lame. All right. How about just opening a present? Good night. Oh, brother. Okay. So let's do this instead. So, 8-year-old boy at Christmas time opening a gift. All right. Well, my attempt to do the image AI is not giving us a lot of love, which is very sad. This was working for me when we were creating our post the other day. So, all right. So that's how to, so let me do another one. Let me just show you how creative this can be in the content AI. So content title, I'm going to say gingerbread cookies song. Gingerbread cookie song. Write a short sonnet about enjoying my wife's gingerbread cookies. Yeah, so we're just gonna write a little gingerbread song here. So, because what is marketing all about? It's all about creating attention, right? We want it to be funny. Length of the content, you don't want to go small. Let's say medium, because small is really, really short. And if we're writing a sonnet, we don't want that. So again, we're using the content AI to generate some content for us that we can now post on our pages. So let's see what the content AI generates as far as a fun little gingerbread cookie song. Now, oh, look at that. It writes a whole song. Isn't that fun? So now let's change it up a little bit. So write a short song about enjoying my wife Kathy's gingerbread cookies. Include references to New York and our dog Gus Gus. Okay, so now let's see what the new little song that it writes for us looks like. So again, this is all in Content AI. This is all included in your Agent CRM subscription. The goal is to make fun, engaging content for the people that are on your list and in your audience. It wrote out a full little song. Isn't that so stinking cute? I love this. So we got multiple songs here that you can choose from. So we can copy this one. I would definitely change it up a little bit, but it includes New York City, includes Kathy, includes little references to Gus Gus. Like, how fun is that? So go ahead and click on continue. Now, if you want to use the images, you can upload your own image. So yeah, just so fun. So so there are a couple different things that you can do within the social planner as well. So there are some templates that you can use as well. I encourage you to check it out, explore. Now, when you're doing social media marketing, one of the other things that you want to do is you want to engage your audience. So I'm going to show you one more example of how to use Content AI for your Christmas marketing. And so I'm going to say, write a poll to engage my users. I want my audience to tell me their favorite cookie. Use emojis to attract my audience to engage with my post. All right, so add keywords, poll, select writing tone. Now you can pick one. I like to have fun with it. I'll say sarcastic. And then length. This time I'm going to use small because I do want it to be a smaller post. I just want to ask a question and get people to engage with me. So the reason I'm showing you this is a lot of times we don't create social media posts and content because we don't know what to say. But we have been working really hard to overcome that with this Content AI engine. So here's a couple different variations here. Hey there, cookie enthusiasts. I need to tell you what your favorite cookie. So now this one doesn't really match me and my personality because it's like, hey, I have nothing better to do. Like, I wouldn't say that. So let's go to the second one. Hey there, cookie experts. Let's take a poll and solve the world's most pressing issue. What's your ultimate favorite cookie? So that's fun. It's cute. People engaged. And then the last one, hey there, cookie connoisseurs. Time for a poll. So if I was to choose this one, I would say I would take out the word riveting just because that's not a word that I use. And then I would say, what's your favorite all-time cookie? Right. And then I would probably just leave it at that and then go ahead and click continue and post it from there. So here's what I want you to see. It is so stinking easy inside of Agent CRM to schedule content for your social planner. And you can create a post and then have it posted out on your Facebook, your Instagram, everything. Now, everyone on this call is already an Agent CRM user. And the reason why I'm doing this is to show you just how powerful Agent CRM is and all the tools that you have at your disposal. And I want to show you some of the things that we have in place for you to help you with your marketing already. One of the most common questions that we get is, how can Agent CRM help to grow my business? Well, here's one of the ways that we can help you by giving you tools to make your social media marketing more effective. So this is the social planner.